In the following section, I'll be installing the frame kit in a Honeywell electronic air cleaner. This frame kit can also be installed in Carrier, Lennox, Ultravision, General Air, or Tryon electronic and media style air cleaners, measuring either 16 by 25 or 20 by 25. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Now that the power's turned off, we're going to remove the door. Now we're going to remove the collector cells and the second cell. All right, now we'll take the pre-filters out. This unit has post filters, so we're going to remove them as well. Now the air cleaner is empty. To remove the cell key, simply take a Phillips screwdriver, insert it into the socket, back out the screw, and now you have the cell key removed. Okay, let's put it all together. We have 2 rails and 4 adjustable arms. The assembly snaps together. One arm at a time. You'll notice that no tools are necessary to do this job. The other thing that's important is to know that this rail goes in this direction. You don't want to install it upside down like that because it will assemble that way. It just won't work inside the air cleaner. It must go facing this direction so the little tabs are sticking down, okay? Okay, now it's all put together. We're going to install it inside the air cleaner. We've already removed the collector cells, pre-filters, post-filters, and even the little center cell guide. Now, this one needs adjusted slightly because you'll notice that there's a lot of play here. So these wing nuts get loosened up just a little bit. There we go. And we're going to extend it. Let's put it in there. Now I'm reaching in and tightening them up just so that we can get an idea of where they need to be set at. So we'll take this back out here, turn it back around because we have the first set adjusted right. There we are. Make sure they're all nice and tight now. Okay, there we are. Now it's all adjusted. We can slide it back in. And there we are. Once this is put together, installed in here, it stays in here. It does not need to come back out ever. Now we're going to install the air filter media inside of the cabinet. I like to drag the frame back out a little bit just so I can get better access to the rails. You'll notice on the filter media printed on it is an arrow. That arrow is the direction of airflow. It should always point towards the furnace. That's the direction that the air is going through this way. So we'll start at the bottom. Line the female rail up with the male rail. Get it on the track there. There we go. And slide it all in. Now, this filter media should be replaced twice a year if you have heating and air conditioning. If you only have heating or only have cooling, then the filter media doesn't really need to be replaced twice a year. Once a year is fine, unless you have cats or dogs running around that lose a lot of hair. Now we'll put the door back on. We're going to want to leave the air cleaner power switch turned off, and also we're going to unplug the air cleaner to prevent it from accidentally getting turned on. Now the only thing left is to turn the power on to the furnace, and you're done. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.